We have stopped the vehicle in traffic control, a vehicle which carries load. There is a tachograph in the vehicle whose brand is video. It is 11:37 a.m. and we are test driving. We will figure out if anything is wrong after the test drive. Please record the vehicle gauge. Vehicle gauge works normally. There aren't any problems with the tachograph and the vehicle gauge, so we continue to test drive. Let's show the vehicle gauge again. Everything is normal at the moment and we are driving at the legal speed limit. There is no problem with the tachograph. Everything is as it should be. And we have a remote control in our hands. This remote control disrupts the signal coming from the transmission. We haven't checked the transmission yet. We will check it in the auto mechanic. But we believe that there is an electronic circuit in the tachograph system, and this circuit blocks the encrypted data provided by the sensor in the transmission. Show the tachograph, please. It is not working now, although we are still driving. The remote control does the trick. Show the tachograph, please. It is not working now, although we are still driving. The remote control does the trick. When I click the button on the remote control again, it will start working again. Now I can't see the speed in the gauge in the indicator. So when I click again, the tachograph starts working again, and I can see the vehicle's speed in the gauge. When I click the button to activate, the kilometer indicator in the gauge doesn't show the vehicle's speed anymore. We will see in the report if there is any drive recorded after 11:50 a.m. The indicator is not working, but we are still on the move.